Hello and welcome to another Geek Stop, and today I am unboxing the brand new remastered edition of David Bowie's Man Who Fell to Earth. Just arrived a little earlier today from Amazon, and let's have a look. It is a box set, and blimey, that is so much nicer than I expected. Crikey, that is stunning. That is a beautiful box. I'm going to have to put my glasses on for this so I can read it properly. New bonus content. That is a really lovely cover. I'm going to get the plastic off it so we can get any glare away. Wow, that is a stunning cover. It's from Studio Canal. They do a lot of great older films. That is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see the reflection on that. That is stunning. So nice. This is 4 discs. Beautiful. Let's get it open. I'm not quite sure exactly the anniversary of this. Oh, it's 40 years. 1976. Wow. What a stunning film. Oh, that's a really lovely inside box. Oh, there's loads of stuff here. Let me just put all this to the side. There's tons of stuff. Oh, and there's more. There's more. An advert for odd bins, that can go. Okay, that is a really nice cover, and as you can see, it folds right out into one major picture. Brilliant. On the other side, try and get these, well, I'm not worried about them being straight or not. So first of all, we have the Blu-ray and all the extras, including new extras, which I'm told, DVD of the movie, DVD of the extras, so pretty much on here is what's on here, and finally there is a very lovely CD soundtrack. Okay, I'm going to have to get these discs out so we can all have a look. Beautiful pictures underneath from the film. There you go, check those out. They are beautiful, really awesome. That is so cool. That's lovely. Let's get those back in. Bonus CD, really nice. There is also soundtrack coming out. Various different formats. I know there's a double CD out there coming. Also there's an all singing, all dancing box set that has CDs, vinyl and other stuff. Okay, next up we've got, if I can slide this off without tearing it, we've got some art cards. Brilliant. They are really nice. So long since I've seen this. This is probably one of the most iconic pictures of Bowie from that era. And the one from the inside cover. Oh, that's a lovely touch. Get those back in. Hopefully. Do like to try and keep these art cards, etc. in their slip case or sleeve. Some of them come in plastic and you're able to unseal it and reseal it, which is always nice. It's nice to just keep them looking really nice. Okay, art cards. Wow, we have a smart A4 poster. It's really lovely. This is the picture they're using for the soundtrack. So this is a 4K restoration. Not that that's a 4K disc, but it does mean that there'll be so much more detail involved in that. That's a really nice poster. It will never go up, but it's a really lovely one. I can find another one of that. I'll pop it up. Booklet, technical details, loads and loads of info in here. Stuff about the actors, press stuff, posters. Really, really nice. This does look like it possibly could be a replica of a book from the time it came out, and it's just like given to the press so they would know what was in it, and then there were copies of bits and pieces that they knew they could use for advertising. That's really nice. We're not done yet, because there's also a lovely book here. That is really nice. Feels really nice. I'll try and show you some pictures without that one again. Loads and loads. Oh, that is an awesome picture. Guy was so cool. We all know that one. That was originally the cover before. Really nice. That is stunning. I'll enjoy looking through that. Loads of behind the scenes stuff, interviews, tells you about bonus features. There's a French TV interview from '77, costume designs, photographer, loads of other stuff. Interview with Candy Clark, which was the female lead. Brilliant. Loads of really cool stuff. That is absolutely brilliant. That is quite possibly the loveliest box set I've had for a film in a long time. Absolutely beautiful. There we go. 4K restoration of David Bowie, Man Who Fell to Earth, out today. I got mine from Amazon. I believe it was £20. I pre-ordered it, so it came today. So yeah, you can get it from Amazon or pretty much anywhere. That's beautiful, and I'm looking forward to watching it and listening to the soundtrack. So there you go, David Bowie, Man Who Fell to Earth, 4K restoration, stunning edition, and go get one. They're awesome. Don't even need to see it to know it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a great big thumbs up. And please hit the subscribe button. Got more stuff coming up. I know I've been a bit slack recently, but there's been loads going on with work and stuff, you know, in my other life. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.